Yesterday we reviewed volume of rectangular prisms, and today we're going to review surface area of a 3D shape once more, especially since it's been a little while since we've reviewed this topic. We just want to make sure we're really solid on our surface area. So it says to find the surface area of the triangular prism. So we're going to find the surface area of the prism. Let's first break it apart into a net to better see the shapes within it. So first I see that if it's a triangular prism, they've already identified what the base is for us, which is a triangle. So I see two triangle bases, one here and one here. And then I also see three rectangular sides. So 1, 2, and 3. So picture if we were rotating this in our head, we would see three rectangles side by side if we broke it apart into cardboard pieces. 1, 2, 3. And I would have two triangle bases. Alrighty, so if I clean this up just a little bit, I know that the triangle bases have a base of 10 and a height of 6. And then I also know that the rectangular sides are 10 by 17, 10, oops, I put it on the wrong side. And I know that because if this side is 10, then that means this side has to be 17. So this length is 17, and this length is 10, 10, and 10, and 6. Alrighty, so now that I've broken this up into a net, how do we find the area of these shapes? So let's go ahead and look at our star chart. So first, to find the area of the triangles, I see that there are two of them with a base of 10, a height of 6 times 2, right? There's double. Then I have three rectangular bases that I need to add together. Once I find one, I can then multiply it by 3 because there are three rectangles with the exact same shape, which will get us our surface area, our total surface area. Alrighty, so we have our plan, and our star chart is giving us our formulas for our triangle and our rectangle. Now we can start substituting. So the base and height of our triangle, 1/2, 10, and 6. So half of 10 is 5, and 5 times 6 is 30. Oops. So the area of one triangle is 30 squared feet. But remember, we don't just have one triangle, we have two, so we need to double it. So the area of both triangles is 60 square feet. So I'm just going to underline that to keep my eye to that number. And then the base and height of this rectangle is 17 times 10, which is 170. But again, that's one rectangle. We need three of them. So we're going to triple it. 2, 5. And so the area of all three rectangles is 510 square feet. But are we done yet? No, we are not, because we don't have the total. So far we have the area of both triangles, the area of all three rectangles, and so now we need to add them together, which I see our total surface area of this triangular prism is 570 squared feet. Alrighty, so let's stamp. To find the surface area, we first decompose the 3D shape into its lateral faces and bases. Then we can find the area of each shape before adding all of the areas up for the total surface area. Let's try some more practice on our own.